ดีครับ Welcome to my thesis presentation in the title of Life Cycle Assessment and Eco-Efficiency of Different Raspberry Products to Move Towards Sustainability. In the first part of my talk, I would like to explain a little bit about the raspberry rice. Raspberry rice is a crossbreeding between Homnin rice and Khao-Dap-Mari white rice to become a raspberry rice that have a deep purple whole grain rice with high nutrients, antioxidant, and softness, with this kind of good property. Therefore, there are many raspberry processed products or processed from raspberry as shown in this picture. Although there are many raspberry processed products from raspberry, but there are the sustainability issues that's associated with the rice industry need to be addressed. In this thesis, I'm dividing into three dimensions. First is the environmental dimension. Raspberry or rice farming generate the methane emission from the rice field during farming stage. And when the farmer using the chemical fertilizer and pesticides is causing the soil quality deterioration, environmental pollution, and biodiversity loss. The second dimension is the economic dimension. It's causing the competitiveness in the rice industry and fluctuation of rice production and global price with other nearby countries such as India, Vietnam, and Myanmar that have lower production costs of rice farming. All of these two dimensions leading to the social dimension sustainability issue, which is the labor shortage. To solving the sustainability issue in the rice industry, my thesis was implemented with the objective to assess the environmental and economic performance of processed products from raspberry rice by using life cycle assessment and eco-efficiency. Second is to provide the decision supporting information to improve the environmental and economic performance of raspberry products for private company and to suggest which product should be further developed and promoted to move towards sustainability for policymakers. By using life cycle assessment, in the first part, I need to select the study products. The study product in this thesis is the food product consists of raspberry polish and raspberry snack bar. Non-food product consists of raspberry soap and raspberry hair conditioner. And the functional unit that I'm assessing is the sole unit of each product, with the system boundary from cradle to grave, study from raw material acquisition until the disposal stage. And the life cycle impact assessment method that I'm selecting for this thesis study is product environmental footprint method version 2, with 6 impact indicators selected consists of global warming, human health cancer effects, acidification, freshwater aquatic ecotoxicity, water scarcity, and energy use. After I have implemented the life cycle assessment, in this slide show that the LCIA result in the global warming potential. You can see that raw material acquisition stage was the main hotspot that's causing environmental impact in all 4 products. Therefore, if you would like to improve the impact on environments, life cycle design on raw material and ingredient improvement is the best one to focus on. In this thesis, the life cycle design I select was consulted with the producer and is what implemented by using this assumption. For all study products, I'm selected to use the alternative wetting and drying water farming practice to replace the traditional farming practice. For raspberry soap, the palm kernel oil with less sodium hydroxide was replacing in the raspberry soap recipe. For the raspberry hair conditioner, the packaging bottle was replaced by recycled PET bottle. For the raspberry snack bar, the modification of recipe by changing of ingredients such as apricot to pineapple, cashew nut to peanuts. For the ripeberry polish, the replacing of celery with shiitake mushroom and changing from laminated packaging bags to paper cup was used for the life cycle design. After the life cycle design was applied to each product, you can see that the life cycle impact assessment was improved significantly in each product, and is causing the eco-efficiency assessment for each product also increasing. And you can see that ripeberry hair conditioner and ripeberry soap, which is non-food product, have the highest in the eco-efficiency improvement. In this part, I'm using the results of eco-efficiency value from my thesis to compare with the other white rice, such as the 1 kg of ripeberry rice and 1 kg of homemade white rice. And you can see that the eco-efficiency value of homemade white rice just only 0.27 US dollar per kilogram CO2 equivalent, and for ripeberry rice is about 0.61 US dollar per kilograms of CO2 equivalent. However, when you processing into other ripeberry processed product, you can see that the eco-efficiency value was increasing significantly, ranking from 1.02 US dollar per kilogram CO2 equivalent until 6.45 US dollar per kilogram CO2 equivalent. Therefore, processing the ripeberry and homemade white rice into innovation products will increase the eco-efficiency for the ripeberry. Next is the conclusion part of my thesis. In the conclusion, the non-food product is more eco-efficient and higher value added than processing to food products because of its high selling price and higher eco-efficiency improvements when considering only environmental impact reduction. You can see that the ripeberry hair conditioner is the first one that have high eco-efficiency value, followed by ripeberry soap and ripeberry snacks bar. And the second conclusion is the result from this study would provide the decision supporting information to improve the environmental and economic performance for private company. And it was suggested that ripeberry soap, ripeberry hair conditioner, and ripeberry snack bar product should be further developed and promoted to move towards sustainability in rice industry for policymakers. For the strength and potential application of my thesis, this thesis is focusing on the life cycle design. Therefore, the idea that making from this thesis can be applied to improve the sustainability in the rice industry in the world system, not just only the specific point. And this study could be linked with the development of supportive policy and strategy to reforming Thai riceberry industry, where the following action. First, it can uplifting the riceberry farming practice to be more sustainable according to the international framework such as SRP by considering environmental, social, and economic aspects. Second, it can improving the sustainability performance of the world riceberry supply chain to be more sustainable according to international frameworks such as SAFA by considering environmental, social, and economic aspects also. Finally, I need to show the strength of my thesis. At present, my thesis was published in the Journal of Greener Production with the high impact factor 9.297 and the size score 13.1. With high impact journal that I'm published will raising the level and ranking of university, and that is the benefits of my thesis. Thank you very much for your kind attention.